If you have a Medicare Advantage plan and you decided that you'd like to go back to a Medicare supplement plan, what exactly is the process? How does that happen? Well, you can do that during the annual election period from October through December 7th. You can also do it during the open enrollment period, which is January through March, which nobody really talks about. So if you're watching this video during those two periods and you want to go back, the process is first, you apply for your Medicare supplement. Now, this depends on your state. Most states are going to ask you like 150 different health questions, and you have to be able to answer no to every question. So one yes means you can't get accepted. Now, every insurance company asks similar but different questions. Some might say, have you had internal cancer in the last 2 years? Some might say in the last 3 years. Some might say in the last 5 years. So it's really hard to get that company. But they're all going to say, have you had internal cancer? And in a certain period, they're not going to take you. So they're similar but different, and that's why we work with so many dozens and dozens of insurance companies. So if you come to us and you say, I'm diabetic, I take insulin, do you think there's any chance I could get approved for a Medicare supplement? And I'm going to say, there's a good chance if you take less than 50 units of insulin and you're not also on blood pressure. So we know a lot of this just off the top of our head, having helped thousands of people. My family's been doing this for 45 years. But the companies change their things in each state, so we will run it through the computer to try to find you a plan that you're most likely to get accepted with. Then we got to wait. So you don't do anything. You don't cancel anything until you get that acceptance letter from your Medicare supplement company says, yes, you are accepted. Now you will apply for your drug plan. So you go to medicare.gov and you type in your drugs, and we can help you with that. And you enroll in a drug plan. It's standalone. Now, let's say I got my Medicare supplement from Mutual of Omaha. You don't have to get the Mutual of Omaha drug plan. They don't have to match. You're going to get whichever drug plan covers your drugs the best. Now, once you enroll into that plan, they have to accept you regardless of your health. So once you enroll, that tells the government to terminate your Medicare Advantage plan. So you don't have to call the Medicare Advantage company. The government handles that. So now you have a Medicare supplement and a Part D drug plan, and you're ready to go. So if you want help through this process, if you want us to help you apply for the Medicare supplement plan, explain the Medicare supplement options in your state, and some state laws vary. Some states, like New York, you don't have to answer the health questions. You just apply. They're going to accept you, and regardless of your health. So there are a few states that have different rules: Missouri, Washington State, California, Nevada, Louisiana, Idaho. There's maybe 8, 9 states that there's a period in the year. It's typically surrounding your birthday, like maybe a month before or a month after your birthday. They're all different, where you can move to a Medicare supplement plan regardless of your health. The problem is if you're on Medicare Advantage, you can't move. You can't leave Medicare Advantage unless you have a special exception, like you move states or you went into a nursing home unless something happened. So you can't just leave your Medicare Advantage around your birthday if that's the only way you can get a Medicare supplement. So it's going to take us a little advanced planning if you're not healthy, and you won't be able to qualify for a Medicare supplement on your health. When we say the word health underwriting, I hate industry jargon, but that means that the insurance company is going to ask you the health questions, and if you can't say no, they won't enroll you in their plan. So go to our website, book an appointment if you want some help, themedicarefamily.com, and there's some companies scamming us. They call themselves Medicare Family, so ours has the. You'll see my face when you go to the website. There's a yellow box. Book your own appointment. We'll help you if you'd like to move back to Medicare supplements. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.